fun chats with JD and guests where you get to relive the magic that happened on air. Due to copyright reasons, music has been removed and parts of the show have been edited for AOD purposes. All right, hello and welcome after the commercials. This is JD's Culture Club, where we inform, we do some edutainment, we do entertainment, just everything you need to know. And we are getting ready for May as well. So May is just around the corner, and our guest is here. Hello.
Hello, everybody. Yes, May is just around the corner. 5월달이 곧 다가오고 있는데 정말 전 두렵습니다.
Oh, are you
It's
busy?
a month of family month, right?
Oh, right. Also,
가정의
yes.
달이라고 하죠. 저희 한국어로는 가정의 달이다 보니 정말 지출할 곳이 너무 많아요.
All right, you're gonna be very busy.
5일은 어린이의 날 그리고 5월 8일 어버이의 날 뭐 요즘에는
Don't
뭐
forget
스승의 날에는 아무것도
Buddha's
하진 않지만
birthday.
그래도 네 편지라도 조금 적어서 보내드려야 될까라고 고민을 하고 있고요. 그런데 아무튼 5월 달에는 어린이의 날, 어버이의 날, 그다음에 저희 아들 생일까지 있어서
Teacher's Day.
there's so many
Workers' Day.
Workers' Day too. Like that's right. Teachers'
For
Day,
all of
Workers'
the
Day, and
Workers' Day.
everything.
Well, I'm looking at the calendar right now, and I actually thought that Buddha's birthday is on the 6th, but actually Buddha's birthday and Children's Day are the same day. No, but then we do get the 6th as a holiday as
That's
well, which is amazing.
하지만 저희는 계속 방송을 하고 있죠. 그날에도 쉬는 날에도 열심히 방송하고 있어요, 여러분.
All right. Oh. And Workers' Day. Wow, it's gonna be busy.
네, 맞아요. 그게 한국어로 노동자의 날이라고 하거든요. 근로자의 날이라고 하구나. 그래서 Workers' Day인데 많은 정말 저희 정말 오래된 선배분들 한 60대 50대 되신 분들은 근로자의 날에도 쉰 적이 없으시다고 하더라고요. They never take off on Workers' Day too either. So it's quite interesting.
It's an optional kind of holiday. I guess
맞아요.
if you're a government worker or official worker, like it depends on the company mostly, right? So yeah, it could be a very interesting time for everybody out there. But today we're going to talk about SDGs. Do you know about SDGs?
저 이게 뭐지? 이게 뭘까라고 봤는데
어머 어떡해.
네, 영어로 SDG는 Sustainable Development Goals라고 하죠. 한국어로는 조금 어렵더라고요. 지속 가능 발전 목표. 아니면 다른 말로는 글로벌 목표라고도 불린다고 해요. 그래서 I never heard of it before, but we can talk about it a little bit, right?
Well, this is one of the most important parts of being a human rights city. Having sustainable development goals, right, listeners? So it's part of the United Nations address to make sure that global challenges achieve a more sustainable future. So there are 17 SDGs.
17
Wow, 17 SDGs. And because Gwangju is a city of human rights, they have to take into consideration all of these 17 in order to, make a more sustainable future. And also, this is a roadmap for countries to work together to end poverty, protect the planet, ensure peace and prosperity for all by 2030.
네, 맞아요. 글로벌 목표라는 게 뭐냐면요. 2015년 유엔이 채택한 17개의 보편적인 목표인데요. 이 목표는 빈곤 종식, 그다음에 지구 환경 보호, 모두를 위한 평화와 번영을 위해 2030년까지 전 세계 국가들이 함께 협력해야 할 로드맵을 그려준 건데요. 그래서 왜 이것들이 중요한가라고 한번 이렇게 살펴보면 지구적 문제가 굉장히 요즘에 많잖아요. 특히 환경도 그렇고 전쟁도 일어나고 있는 상황이고 빈곤, 기아, 건강, 교육, 불평등 다양한 이렇게 그 글로벌한 문제가 있는데 이 문제를 해결하고자 하는 목표 중에 하나죠.
Right, and I've done a couple of projects with UNESCO and UN, and this is really important in the discussion. Every discussion that is had, it's all about the SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals. So we're going to go through them for you. Number 1, no poverty. We've got zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality, clean water and sanitation, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, industry, innovation and infrastructure, reduced inequalities, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production, climate action, life below water, life on land, peace, justice, and strong institutions, and partnerships for goals. That's just an overview of the 17 SDGs.
맞아요. JD가 17개를 한꺼번에 말해서 저도 17개를 한꺼번에 말해주라고 라고 이 생각을 하고 있었는데 아무튼 첫 번째로는 no poverty, 빈곤이죠. 세계 어디에서나 이제 이게 일어나고 있는 일인데 전쟁 때문에 빈곤이라는 형태도 생기고 하고 있기 때문에 빈곤이 1번으로 되고요. 두 번째는 zero hunger. Like,
Right.
그 기아를 종식하고 식량 안보를 달성해서 영양 상태를 개선하고 지속 가능한 농업을 촉진한다고 해요. 세 번째로는 good health and well-being, 모든 사람에게 건강한 삶과 웰빙을 보장하는 것, 그리고 모두를 위한 포용적이고 공정한 양질의 교육을 보장하는 것.
Oh,
네.
so important. And
That's
I
right.
know Jeollanam-do province, they are increasing their English education programs.
맞아요.
And then Gwangju Education Office just released an application for people learning Korean. So all students, so multicultural students out there. That's so important, making sure that people's health and well-being is taken care of. Zero hunger, not only hunger, but achieving food security, improving nutrition, and promoting sustainable agriculture. Really, really important SDGs.
맞아요. 그리고 다섯 번째를 보면 성평등을 실현하고 모든 여성과 소녀의 권한을 강화한다고 해요. There are some countries that are not actually equally have a rights for the girls or women, right?
Right.
그래서 이 성평등을 실현하는 게 굉장히 중요하다고 생각을 하고요. 저도. 근데 여섯 번째는 clean water and sanitation, right? 모두를 위한 물과 위생의 이용 가능성을 지속 가능한 관리를 보장한다고 해요. 왜냐면은 정말 저희는 정말 럭키한 게 이렇게 깨끗한 물을 마실 수 있다는 게 정말 행운인 것 같아요. 왜냐면은 다른
Right.
나라에서는 이렇게 깨끗한 물을 마실 수가 없거든요. 저도 진짜 깨끗한 물을 마셨던 게 캐나다에서 마셨는데 캐나다는 정말 resources everywhere in Canada, right? The water,
Right.
trees, and
Ooh,
everything.
yes.
Yes, it's really great place to live. So 저는 정말 행운아처럼 정말 좋은 곳에서만 이렇게 자라왔는데 이 나라 말고 다른 나라들에서는 이렇게 깨끗한 물을 마시는 게 쉽진 않다고 하더라고요. 그래서 there are some people actually who went to Africa or in India. They actually build up the clean water system for everybody, or for the what should I say, the town, for the town.
Right.
Yes.
We also have to be conscious that there are many places, rural areas in Korea that might not have access to some of these, right?
맞아요.
The infrastructure might not be, the newest or so on. So we should be having sustainable goals for everyone. It can happen anywhere, even, first world countries, other countries. We should always be looking at making life better. And these are guidelines and these are some rules that, governments should be taking note of, right? So we're going to talk about others. We went up until number 6.
Yes.
And we're going to go with affordable and clean energy. This is a really big one at the
맞아요.
moment. And we're going to talk about decent work and economic growth. Let us know if you've heard of SDGs and right, if you have ever been somewhere and you've seen this. I've posted a lot about this on our social media, so go check it out. I'll also upload this on our podcasts, which are doing so well. Oh my God, you guys.
전번에 저 직원들한테 조금 bragging 했잖아요.
어머.
I was bragging about our show.
Right, and they just
More
like
than
whatever.
like 6,000 people were listening to our show.
Right.
So,
They just
네.
rolling their eyes, probably.
정말 감사합니다, 여러분. 많이 청취해 주셔서. 네.
Thank you so much, everybody. We'll continue bringing you amazing information. And we are going to listen to a song right now. And this is actually a song. Someone made a song about the Declaration of Human Rights.
Wow.
Oh my God. So cool, so amazing. Always great to have some edutainment, right? So remember, your SDGs are a very, very big part of human rights. So we'll see you right after this. Fun chats with JD and guests where you get to relive the magic that happened on air. Due to copyright reasons, music has been removed and parts of the show have been edited for AOD purposes. All right, that was an amazing track there for you. And we're talking about the SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals. And this forms part of a bigger picture, right, of human rights cities around the world. So we've already covered the top 5. There are 17. 6. Oh, yes, 6. We've got right now affordable and clean energy.
네, 지속 가능한 현대 에너지 접근을 보장한다는 건데요. Affordable and clean energy. What kind of energy are they talking about? I think maybe the sunlight energy or wind energy.
Right. Yes, from natural resources. And I know that there's, huge wind farms off the coast, right, of Jeollanam-do.
맞아요.
Getting more and more. So trying to lean more into that, make sure that there's greener energy, right, everybody? Also, try to save the energy. Or maybe you want to change your car to one that,
Electric car?
Well, in order to get electricity, you have to burn coal, which, along the line is not going to be so helpful. But maybe you want to work on like a hybrid car, maybe?
A hybrid car, yes.
Or take public transportation if you can.
대중교통도 이용하시면 좋고요.
Right.
왜냐하면 광주가 대자보 도시라고 지금 이렇게 밀고 있는데요. 대중교통 이용하기, 자전거 이용하기, 그다음 걸어 다니기라는 걸 이렇게 대표적으로 세우고 있어서 환경이 이렇게 환경을 해치지 않는 다양한 방법으로 도시를 탄생시키려고 노력하고 있는 사항입니다. 그래서 I think that is a great way to save the energy, right?
Right. Yes. Make sure that you are doing your best. Even conserving water, right, or other resources. Let's not, be wasteful and save your electricity and the water bill. Decent work and economic growth. So sustained, inclusive, and sustainable economic growth, right? So we want to make sure that it's sustainable and, productive employment and decent work for all.
네, 맞아요. 생산적인 고용과 그다음에 정말 안정적인 경제 성장 그리고 모두를 위한 일자리를 촉진시키기 위한 노력이라고 하죠. So there are so many people, we need so many people to work at some places, right? But not that many people are actually register for the job these days, especially in Gwangju. Because low in maybe young people. That's why. Recently, I went to the one of the what should I say? 뭐라고 해야 되죠? 이 면접하러 제가 심사를 하러 들어갔었거든요. I have to judge the people
job
for the
interview.
Job interview for the job interview, and actually, before people were accepted for the job interview,
Right.
they didn't appear. So it was quite
What do you mean?
interesting. They didn't show up for the job interview.
Right. Oh.
Yeah. Even though that they registered it, but they didn't
What was the
showed
job?
up. I don't want to say about that, what kind of job that was, but it seems like not that many young people wants to work at the Gwangju.
Well, maybe they want to have better
Workplace?
working conditions.
Conditions? Yeah, maybe.
Right? That could be something.
And that
So that could be something to look at.
네, 그것도 하나의 목표가 될 수 있을 것 같아요. But these days, I think the growth of what should I say, the business or everything is not doing great.
Right. There is
그래서
kind of a lot of pressure.
pressures on that.
And
That's
people, people are thinking, well, the traditional jobs, right?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe they think, right, there's other jobs. I could be a YouTuber. I can do something else,
맞아요.
and have, better free time. So we have to see the world is changing and businesses have to adapt. It's really hard, right? So we also have to make sure that the business owners are taken care of as well. So that's the important part for decent work, right? For many people. Industry, innovation, and infrastructure. We know this is so important. And reduced inequalities.
네, 지속 가능한 산업화를 촉진하고 그다음에 국가 내 아니면은 국가 간의 불평등을 감소시킨다고 하는 게 하나의 또 목표더라고요.
Right. And make sure that you reduce inequality within and amongst countries and people. Also, sustainable cities and communities, right? So inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable. So we have to make sure we're reusing, we're reducing, we're recycling, and that if buildings are built, that they are eco-friendly, right? That we are really, really taking into consideration the landscape, making green spaces, responsible consumption and production. Don't just buy. And climate action. Gwangju is really big on climate action. 2045 carbon neutral.
맞아요.
Ooh.
도시와 거주지를 저희가 계속 살 수 있게 안전하고 잘 살 수 있게 그런 지속 가능성을 만들어 주셔야 되고요. 그다음에 지속 가능한 소비. 그러니까 너무너무 불필요한 소비를 하지 말고 저희가 꼭 필요한 소비만 할 수 있는 목표를 세우셔야 되고요. 그다음에 기후 변화와 그 영향에 맞서기 위해 긴급한 조치를 조금 취해야 되는 부분도 있겠습니다.
Right. I've already seen some reports about monsoon season and it's a little scary. So please be careful out there. Also, while we're talking about that climate action, life below water, Korea is a peninsula surrounded by water. We have to be taking care of oceans and seas, marine resources, rivers, lakes, all of those things. Life on land, protect, restore, and, promote sustainable use of ecosystems. So important, especially with this global warming changes. All of these things. We don't want to see lots of, what do we see? Lots of, what do we call those? Sinkholes,
맞아요.
flooding,
요즘엔 그게 되게 많더라고요.
right? Earthquakes, all of these things we have to take care. Peace, justice, and strong institutions. Of course, Gwangju.
Is peace, justice, city, right?
Right.
That's right. 해양과 육지 생태계를 보호하려고 되게 노력을 많이 해야 됐고요. 그 다음에 또 평화롭고 포용적인 사회를 촉진하고 정의에 대한 접근을 보장하는 그러한 목표를 저희가 도와야 된다고 하네요.
Do you know what Gwangju's
17?
bird is?
Gwangju's bird?
The official bird of Gwangju?
잠깐만, 왜 그렇게 갑자기 퀴즈를 내버리면 제가 이상한 사람이 되잖아요.
It's
If I
the
don't know, then it's
dove.
like 그러니까 비둘기죠.
For peace, a
비둘기.
white dove. So
아.
peace, justice, and strength.
왜냐면 광주공원에 가면 비둘기가 엄청 많거든요. 그래서 순간
Those are pigeons. a little different.
아니 잠깐만.
Doves and pigeons are a little different.
비둘기가 아니면 뭐지? 그러면은
It's a white one. Always for
그러니까요.
peace. Pigeon.
Pigeon.
Maybe they're the same thing in Korean, but
아니야,
kind of
아니야.
because pigeon is kind of gray one and dove is usually the white one, right?
맞아.
So, let us know. Also, number 17 of the SDGs: strengthen the means of implementation and revitalize the global partnership for sustainable development. So, make sure that you're working in partnership with different organizations to achieve SDGs. Okay, so important in other countries around the world.
Pigeon and dove is same thing in Korean. I think 비둘기.
White one.
I was right. Yes.
Okay,
There
the
you go.
white one, everybody.
네, the white one. 하얀 비둘기라고 생각하시면 되겠습니다. There you go. All right, that was 17 goals, right?
Right. So UNESCO, UN are really big on these and they're really promoting these. And of course, make sure that you do too, everyone. Unfortunately, so short.
진짜 너무 짧은 것 같아.
Oh, maybe we should
30분은
do
조금 짧은 것 같아.
in
그리고 또
May.
제가
Let's do.
오늘은 이게 잘 몰라가지고 좀 버버벅 됐는데 죄송해요 여러분.
Right.
그런데 I got to learn what the 17 goals are. So now I have to do the action. 바로
Right.
행동으로 옮겨야 될 것 같아요.
Of course, we do. So, let's keep this in mind and we will continue talking about these and informing you, right? Every moment is an opportunity to learn. I will see you after the commercials. I will see you again tomorrow.
Okay, bye everybody.
Listeners, stay tuned.
광주, 내일이 빛나는 기회 도시.
Gwangju, the city of opportunity that shines tomorrow.
광주, 내일이 빛나는 기회 도시. 글로벌 광주 네트워크 인권 경영 헌장. 글로벌 광주 네트워크는 즐거운 방송, GGN 함께라는 비전을 바탕으로 시민의 행복과 복지 증진을 목표로 합니다. 이를 위해 우리는 모든 사업 활동에서 사회적 가치를 실현하고 이해관계자의 인권을 보호하기 위한 인권 경영을 실천하고자 합니다. 이에 따라 인권 경영을 정착시키고 확산하기 위하여 임직원이 준수해야 할 행동규범이자 가치 판단의 기준으로 인권 경영 헌장을 선언하며 이를 성실히 실천할 것을 다짐합니다. 우리는 인권, 노동, 환경, 반부패 등의 가치를 지지하는 국내외 기준 및 규범을 지지하고 준수합니다. 우리는 인권 경영 체계 구축 등 필요한 제도와 정책을 수립하고 이를 실천합니다. 우리는 임직원을 포함한 모든 이해관계자에게 성별, 연령, 인종, 장애, 종교, 정치적 성향, 출신 지역 등을 이유로 차별하지 않습니다. 우리는 직원의 인권 보호를 위해 결사의 자유 및 단체 교섭권을 보장합니다. 우리는 어떠한 형태의 강제노동 및 아동노동도 허용하지 않으며 직원들에게 안전하고 위생적인 근무 환경을 조성하여 산업안전 및 보건을 증진합니다. 우리는 협력사 및 관련 기관을 공정하게 대하며 인권 존중을 위해 노력합니다. 우리는 사업 활동에서 지역 주민과 고객의 인권을 존중하고 업무 과정에서 수집된 개인정보를 보호합니다. 우리는 국내외 환경 관련 법규를 준수하며 환경 보호와 환경재해 예방에 힘씁니다. 우리는 사업 및 경영활동 중 발생하는 인권 침해에 대해 신속하고 적절한 구제를 제공함으로써 인권 경영을 선도합니다.